5 game-changing AI tools you'll wish you knew sooner. You're not using AI right yet. These 5 tools are secret weapons for productivity, creativity, and speed. By the end of this video, you'll want every one of them on your screen. Let's go! Gamma.app. First up is Gamma, the AI presentation tool that makes PowerPoint look like a dinosaur. Just type what you want to say, and Gamma turns it into a beautiful, dynamic slideshow, complete with visuals, structure, and tone. No formatting, no stress, just pure efficiency. Came in next is Perplexity, the AI search engine that actually thinks. Instead of 10 blue links, it gives you real answers with sources, citations, and ongoing conversation threads. It's like Google, if Google were helpful. Notion.ai. You already know Notion, but with AI, it becomes your second brain. Ask it to write meeting notes, emails, blog posts, anything. It's fast, accurate, and instantly formatted. Use it right, and it'll save you hours every week. Scribe.how turns your actions into how-to guides. Seriously, you click, it watches, then boom. It gives you step-by-step instructions with screenshots and text. Perfect for training, documentation, or just never having to explain something twice. Also, the AI-powered Productivity Hub. It's your to-do list, project manager, and team chat all in one, powered by automation. Just tell it what you're working on, and watch it build a plan, break it into steps, and even generate content. You just saw 5 tools that could replace hours of work with just a few clicks. Which one are you trying first? Hit that like button if one blew your mind, and subscribe for more AI shortcuts. No fluff, no face, just results.